Case study tracing a missing chemical engineer, Leverkusen client background. A UK-based pharmaceutical company contacted Bond Reese to trace a missing chemical engineer who had been sent to Leverkusen, Germany, to oversee the development of a new production process at a chemical manufacturing facility. Leverkusen, known for being home to several major chemical and pharmaceutical companies, is a hub for innovation in industrial chemical processes. The engineer was responsible for managing a key phase of the project, but after missing several project meetings and failing to respond to communications, the firm became concerned about both the engineer's safety and the project's progress. The investigation Bond Reese gathered all relevant details about the engineer's recent activities, communications and accommodations. The engineer had been staying near the Chempark, Leverkusen's industrial park, which is one of the largest chemical production sites in Europe. The last known communication from the engineer was an email confirming attendance at a production site inspection in the Bayer AG complex, located within Chempark, where the new pharmaceutical product was being developed. Digital footprint and local contacts. Our digital forensics team analysed the engineer's phone records, GPS data, and recent financial transactions. The last known GPS signal placed the engineer near the Chempark, but no further communication occurred after this. Bond Reese contacted plant personnel, hotel staff, and project managers involved in the chemical production process to gather additional information. Witnesses confirmed that the engineer had attended the inspection but did not return to the hotel or attend any scheduled follow-up meetings. On the ground investigation in Leverkusen, Bond Reese dispatched local investigators to Leverkusen, focusing on the Chempark industrial area, key transport routes, and the engineer's accommodation. Investigators also reviewed CCTV footage from the Chempark facility and nearby public areas to trace the engineer's movements. After following several leads, our team discovered that the engineer had gone to inspect a newly installed section of machinery in a remote part of the chemical plant. Further investigation revealed that the engineer had been involved in an accident while inspecting the equipment. The engineer had sustained injuries from a malfunction and was taken to a medical facility within the industrial complex, but due to damaged personal identification and communication devices, the plant had been unable to notify the firm about the incident. Outcome Bond Reese quickly located the engineer and confirmed their condition, providing this crucial information to the pharmaceutical company in London. After receiving appropriate medical care and recovering from their injuries, the engineer was able to return to work on the project, ensuring that the production development stayed on track with minimal delays. Why Bond Reese? This case highlighted Bond Reese's ability to manage investigations within industrial zones like Leverkusen, where chemical manufacturing and high-stakes projects demand timely and precise coordination. By combining digital forensics, local expertise in the pharmaceutical and chemical sectors, and efficient on-the-ground search efforts, Bond Reese ensured the safe recovery of the missing chemical engineer, allowing the company's project to proceed with minimal disruption.